Due to the contagious nature of COVID-19, mass gathering is not possible. This year, the theme of yoga is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Regular practice of yoga can make your mind sharper. It can improve body strength and flexibility. Now, I would like to invite our respected principal, Dr. Muhammad Hani, for his message. Sir, please.
A pleasant day to all of you. Today, 21st of June 2020, we are celebrating another International Yoga Day. The celebration of this day was started across the globe in 2015. This year, we are celebrating International Yoga Day in the context of COVID-19. Yoga is nothing but one of the invaluable gifts by our rich tradition of our great country, India, to the entire humanity. By yoga, we can have a perfect blend of body, mind and spirit. As individuals, we take so many measures. We are too much conscious about our physical health. We do exercises. We are very conscious in our food habits. We are very healthy conscious in many aspects. But many a times we forget or we neglect the health of our mind. Mental health is more important than the physical health. As students, if you practice yoga, there are hundreds of benefits that you are going to have in your future life.
Thank you, sir. Again, with great pleasure, I would like to invite our MD, Dr. T.P. Muhammad, for his valuable message. Sir, please.
Wishes of the day. There is a saying that a stress-free person makes sound mind. To more clear, I'll give you one example with a question. Could you write the exam effectively when you are in stress? Like fear, depression, any disease or any problem from the house or anywhere? Not possible because you are in stress. So, to clear off your stress and make sound mind, yoga is the best practice you can do. There are two benefits of yoga. One is you can control your breath and body flexibility. There is a saying that if you can control your breath, you can control whole world. Do you notice that our breath is different in our different actions and emotions? Like cry, laugh, happy, sad, run, walk, etc. Best example of breath control can be seen while we are putting thread into the needle. We are holding our breath and doing at the maximum level to succeed in it. Correct? Nowadays, yoga is used universally as a part of meditation. And those who are practicing yoga are getting more concentration in their prayers too.
Thank you, sir. Due to the pandemic threatening, the theme Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family signifies the importance of practicing yoga at home, keeping the social distancing. So, dear children, let us see some yogasanas by our students. Stay home, stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.